Hello students, this is a new chapter, chapter number 5, Work and Energy in Electrostatics. In the electrostatics, we deal with the charges, and the charges exert the force of attraction or repulsion over each other, and because of which at any point around the charge there is a potential, and because of the potential the charges possess potential energy. In this chapter we will find the potential energy due to discrete point charges. Discrete point charges means the point charges which are placed at different point. Then we will also calculate potential energy due to continuous charge distribution. That means a charge is continuously present. Then also we will find the expression for energy density in the electrostatic field. Now it should be noted that the system where the force is there and if that force is conservative, it possesses kinetic energy due to its virtue of motion and the potential energy due to the virtue of its position. There is a single expression for the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half mv square. This expression, we can write this in terms of the charge. You can get the kinetic energy. So you don't have to derive as such the expression for the kinetic energy for any force. But there is no a single expression for the potential energy. You will find that potential energy of a masses is mgh. Potential energy possessed by mass is mgh. But same formula we cannot apply in the electrostatics. Electrostatics, it is different. So to find the potential energy means energy stored, and when the energy is stored, work is done. When a mass is displaced or charge is displaced, work is done, and work is done if the force is there. And mass, charge, the force associated with this is conservative force. So this work done is stored as the potential energy. So stored energy is called as the potential energy. So to find out the potential energy, we have to calculate the work done. And this is what we are going to do in this chapter. So at first, we will find the expression for potential energy of group of discrete point charges. So there are point charges, they are at different places, and we have to find out what is the potential energy. Now by definition, I would also explain to you in the first chapter on electrostatics, potential energy is a work done to bring charges from infinity to those respective points. Example, suppose only one charge is there, then if you take it to infinity and no other charge system is there, if you take that to infinity, then if you bring it back to that point, no work is done because there are no other charges, so there is no force. Displacement is there, force is not there, so no work is done. So it does not possess any potential energy. Suppose there are two charges, you take them to infinity. To bring the first charge, no work is done. To bring the second charge and to keep its earlier position, then work is to be done against the first charge. Suppose there are three charges. If you take them to infinity, to bring the first charge to its earlier position, no work is done because there are no other charges around it. All other two charges are at infinity. So at the infinity, the force is 0 between the two charges. To bring the second charge, then what will happen is first charge may attract or repel. And you have to exert the force, or that system will exert the force. If it is the repulsion, then the external agency has exerted the force. If there is attraction, then system will exert the force. So work is done to bring that to the earlier position. Then to bring the third charge to its earlier position, there may be attraction or repulsion because of the first charge as well as because of the second charge. So it has to be work is to be done again first charge as well as the second charge. So like this one can describe for 4 charges or 5 charges or any number of charges. So main definition here is potential energy is the work done to bring the charges from infinity to those respective points. That means here there are m point charges q1, q2, q3, qm. Now q1, q2, q3, qm, they are at different positions. And to find out what energy possessed by this group of m charges, what is to be done is you take all of them to infinity. So now empty space is there, nothing else is there. It is the ideal system, nothing else is there. To bring the first charge to its earlier position, no work is done because there is no other charge system here. There is no repulsion or no attraction. So first charge may be placed at a position without doing any work. So W1 equal to 0. Then to place a second charge, let us say Q2, to its earlier position, it has to do the work against the first charge. So what is the work done against the first charge? It is the charge into potential. Which charge? Charge Q2 into potential at that point where Q2 is to be placed. And their potential is there because of the first charge. So that potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R12. So the R12 is the distance between the position of the charge Q1 and position of the charge Q2. So it is Q2. See, this work done is the charge into potential. So charge which you are bringing from infinity to that its position, earlier position, is Q2 into potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R21, and that potential is there because of the charge Q1. And that is the formula which we have found in the earlier chapter. So as a result of that, so to work done to bring the second charge from infinity to that point is W2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R21. R21 is the distance between Q2 and Q1. Now there are two charges Q1 and Q2, its position. Then third charge you are bringing from infinity to its earlier position. So now this charge Q3 has to do work against Q1 and Q2. And using the earlier formula for the work done, charge into potential. So the total work done is W3. So to bring the charge Q3, the work done against Q1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q3 Q1 by R31. Because the charge which are bringing is Q3 and potential at that point is because of Q1, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R31. Now beside this, the Q3 has to also do the work against charge Q2. So using the earlier definition of the work done, charge into potential. So charge here is Q3 and potential is due to Q2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2 by R32. So total is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q3 Q2 by R32. So this is the W3. Then like that you can bring the charge, fourth charge Q4, fifth charge Q5. Let us say to place the jth charge, which is Qj, jth charge is there. So to bring that j charge to its position, leave position, it has to do the work against q1, against q2, against q3, against q4, and up to j minus 1. So j minus 1 charges are already there in their position, and now you are bringing the charge qj minus 1 to its position. So this is the work, and we have written as a symbol summation k equal to 1 to j minus 1, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Qj is same throughout, so qj. Then this is r suffix j 1 2 3, so k. So k equal to 1 to j minus 1, so 1 2 up to j minus 1. Then qj is there common, and qk, k is from 1 to j minus 1, so q1 q2 q3 up to qj minus 1. There are m charges. So to bring that m charge, last charge, we use that what you have written for j. J is somewhere in between. We write summation k equal 1 to m minus 1. Because to bring that last charge qm, it need not do the work against itself. Because how many charges are there? q1, q2 up to qm minus 1. And last charge you are bringing its position. So it has to do the work against q1, q2, q3 up to qm minus 1, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qm qk by rmk. K is going from 1 to m minus 1. Now say, consider the system of m charges. To bring the first charge, no work is done. To bring the second charge, that work done is W2. To bring the third charge, the work done is W3. And to bring the m charge, the work done is Wm. So now the total work done to bring all the charges at those points is a summation of this work done. So summation of Wj, j is going from 1 to m. So first charge, it is the work done is W1 plus W2, it is for second charge, plus W3 to bring the third charge, and so on. And we have already written Wj by this. And now what we do is, we leave this summation like this, we keep the summation like this, and this term we write Wjk. Now this is going from j 1 to m, k equal 1 to j minus 1, Wjk. Now say Wjj is not there. Say to bring the first charge, no work is to be done against itself. To bring the second charge, it has to do the work against q1. To bring the third charge, it has to do the work against q1 and q2. So this Wj and j will not be there. That is equal to 0. And Wjk is equal to Wkj. See, when you bring the third charge, and that work done is here W31, W32, and say when you bring the second charge, that third charge was not there. So Wjk is equal to Wkj. The value is same, and that's why we have to write here half. See, Wjj is 0, that is one thing. Wjk equal to Wkj. So this all this iteration, it is half of that only. Okay, so half is multiplied because interaction between two charges is not considered twice. When you bring the third charge, the work is done against first charge. But when you bring the first charge, third charge was not there, so no work is done against this. So this is that expression for the potential energy. Total energy here is the potential energy, because in this case there is no kinetic energy, because the charges are not moving. It is electrostatic. Charges are at rest. Now this expression we have found in the earlier slide, U equal to half, summation j equal to 1 to m, k equal to 1 to m, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qj, qk, r, j, k. Okay, so here it is not k equal to j minus, k equal to 1 to m. Then potential at a jth point due to other charge system. See, potential at a given point is algebraic sum of potential at that point because of all other charges. How many charges are there? M charges. So k equal to 1 to m. And it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qk by rjk. K equal to 1 to m. So this is the potential at a jth point. Then in terms of this, we can write this potential energy half J equal 1 to m, and this K equal 1 to m, this quantity which is the potential, as phi j. So potential energy we have now written half summation Qj phi j.